Here it is. There is the Jamstack box. We waited for 2 years.
2 long
plus.
years.
Too long. Too long years. Yeah, so it was supposed to come 2 Christmases ago, maybe even the summer before. They just kept having problems after problems. We just got, there was one, I swear the guy who was making this thing, he made a video where he just looked very sad and upset. They were having supply chain issues. They did their best to find a factory overseas to make their dream come true. It was an Indiegogo campaign I saw. Got this thing for one of them for fairly cheap. The demand was high. The excitement was high.
We got a special buy one, get a second one for a little extra money deal.
Yeah, it was a fair deal. And look at that packaging. Honestly, when I got it out of the box when it first came after 2.5 years of waiting, I was so mad. I got that knife and,
hopes were so high we could not contain our excitement.
So the idea with it is you hook this up to any guitar, you clip it on, it is an amp. They claim it's the most versatile way to play guitar right there. It attaches to the guitar. Your smartphone interfaces with the speaker that also is a high-quality Bluetooth speaker. It can just play tunes out of your phone, whatever you got. It's like any Bluetooth speaker, but it also interfaces directly with the guitar. They advertise a app called ToneBridge, which is it's got tons of different amp models, cab models, tons of pedals. It's supposed to be plug and play. We will go through that here.
But really, we got it for the logo.
Yeah.
Just look at that logo.
Actually, we ordered it mostly for the guitar picks that come free. But this is, the packaging is great. It looks like something if you went to like some high-end camping supply store or one of those places where the parking lot has a bunch of Subarus in it and everybody's wearing those $400 or $500 plastic coats.
I'm not sure what make waves means. I guess sound waves could be an interpretation.
So,
or surfing. Maybe you take it to the beach.
When you first open it, it's telling you to make waves. And here is the kit. This is the cable. It's got a female USB to lightning bolt for your Apple phone users. Here's the 1/4-inch cable that attaches the Jamstack to the actual guitar itself. We've got they've included a bunch of power supplies and adapters for basically go, I think, almost anywhere in the world. Their idea is that you're bringing your electric guitar out into the world to play it for any person who's willing to hear you struggle through Stairway to Heaven or
buskers. Look for this device.
Indeed.
You can make a ton of people unhappy.
Yes, in a cab
out on the street corner.
when you're driving, or an Uber, when you're taking that ride after a drunken night. You have your electric guitar to make sure everyone knows you know how to shred. And you know
You've been
how
practicing
to,
in the Guitar Center. Now you can
melt faces in Fred Meyer's or any other retail outlet across America or the world. Here we have the power supply. It is equipped with the traditional American adapter or 2-pronged wall wart. And just snap that dude off of there, no problem. And put on any of the other ones, depending on where you're at. I don't know. All that confuses me. I don't know where any of those things are or where they go, but I guess Australia, the UK.
Those non-Americans.
Yes. We love those people. We are from up north in Alaska, which is also America somehow. Nobody really knows we're up here, but here we are. We have nice tablecloths. So yeah, you've got that. You got the full accompaniment of power adapters. This is the USB-C to USB-C. The actual Jamstack itself has a USB-C, and then it also comes with this cable here, which is the micro USB to USB-C. So you've got Android, you've got iPhone, you've got older Android phones. We were unable to get it to work with an older Android phone. We had a Galaxy S6, I believe.
Very disappointed.
Yes, it was a sad day. We were able to polish the guitar with our tears, though, so that's a plus. It has a strap knob. If your strap knob on your guitar doesn't work, just go ahead and pop that guy off and, I don't know, I guess possibly ruin your guitar by putting that one on it. But hey, at least your Jamstack will be on there and you'll be able to make waves. Here we go. The PR team at Jamstack was working overtime. They made some, in that extra year they had, they made some bumper stickers for us. There's some type of FCC approval list there and a quick start guide with some more information about the unit and more beautiful packaging. I think the packaging is
as far as packaging goes, it's the best packaging I've ever seen out of sub $200 product.
It
very
gets
nice.
an A. Like they really went for the home
They didn't
run.
go all out. They went only out on their packaging.
Yeah, the packaging is fantastic. We do give this thing a fair review. We have a first-time user plug it in and try it out, and we'll show you that as well. But for now, this is the cell phone attachment device. Put your cell phone on there. I accidentally dropped it the first time. That was sad news.
That's not why it doesn't work.
Yeah, it
though.
didn't work before.
It just doesn't work. That's the thing.
So, yeah, we've got that phone. It fits snugly in there, very secure. Don't have to worry about your phone flopping all over town.
The grand reveal.
Yes,
here it is.
There it is. There's
our
the
favorite
Jamstack
bit
itself.
of technology.
Very sturdy. It's very hefty. It seems like a very high quality piece of electric equipment.
Easy, turn it on, turn it off with a knob. Pretty slick.
Yep, makes the normal little ding that any Bluetooth device does when you turn it on. So it's got 3 modes. It's got guitar mode, music mode, and Bluetooth mode. Or excuse me, guitar mode, Bluetooth mode, and I don't know, some other mode. Not that important.
Oh, those picks though.
Yeah, those picks, nice and thick. Definitely no give with those. You're just going to be having snapping pick sounds on all your recordings from now on. So now we've got a willing participant in this experiment. Here he is. He's ready. He's excited. A first-time Jamstack user. He's innocent.
Little does he know what's in store.
Okay, now that we've got all of our supplies ready to go, it's time to connect the Jamstack to a guitar.
This is the first time.
There's the Jamstack.
It's looking beautiful. It's very well made. Once again, it's shiny, looks durable.
They made the best parts for this unit.
Yeah, that's right. We saw the pictures of them.
Emails.
Yeah, in the updates, they showed us the factory with the die casting and the putting it all together, and they did a great job from all accounts. I mean, we will see when we put it through its paces how it does. So as it attaches to the guitar, it snaps in nicely to the guitar strap peg, I guess you would call it, and it's on there pretty sturdy. It doesn't move. It doesn't seem like it's going to fall off. It also has another guitar strap peg that you can attach your guitar strap to conveniently, so you don't have to strangely sit in a seat and try to use this thing. You can do your best poses and rock god imitations while you're wailing away.
Here we see average American example number 10 attempting to attach guitar strap to said unit.
The first time this thing was put on, it was a little bit unwieldy. It didn't quite go on as clearly and but hey, this is a first time user. We will update you once again with some updates about how we've you see what happened here. You see what we did there.
Now that everything's connected, it's time to tune the guitar and try out an amp on your phone. We're using ToneBridge.
So ToneBridge is actually a really interesting app. I haven't really looked into it as much as I should have before making this video, but like we said, we're new to this. It has tons and tons of different amplifier and cabinet and guitar pedal models, and some of them Some of them seem to be working better than others, and we did have some difficulty in the beginning with the tuner actually getting it to register. I'm not really sure what the problem was, but once it actually, the interface was picking it up, it seemed to work okay. We did have problems initially attaching the phone and getting any type of signal to go through. You do have to make sure that the volume on the phone is up. Otherwise, no sound will come out, and you'll just be very confused. For about 5 minutes, we were just sort of dead in the water, unable to get any tones or any type of sound to come out of the unit when it was hooked to the phone. And we were very confused because when we disconnected the lightning bolt cable from the phone, the guitar would come through without any affected signal and be kind of quiet and sound a little corny, like playing a dry guitar signal through a Bluetooth speaker, which doesn't sound the best. Here you can see the miracle occurred.
Let it work.
It's working.
That was the point of contact.
The Van Halen Eruption plugin, and it has like a very noisy feedback, which is real. It's a realistic kind of emulation that we got going on here. It's pretty cool. We're screaming away. It's Eddie Van Halen.